If you're a fan of classic cars and love diving into automotive history, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a ride down memory lane. There was a time when cars weren't just machines, they were companions. And among them stood one icon, the Peugeot 504. Today, we'll take a closer look at the 1986 model, a car that combined strength, simplicity, and timeless design. First introduced in 1968, the Peugeot 504 quickly made a name for itself. But by 1986, this car had become more than just a vehicle, it was a trusted name for drivers across the world. Rugged, reliable, and ready for anything, the 504 was built for real-world roads. Design and engineering. The 1986 Peugeot 504 featured a simple yet elegant design, with a wide front grille, squared headlights, and a long, confident body. Under the hood, you could choose between a 2.0L petrol engine or a 2.3L diesel, both known for their reliability and efficiency. The diesel version, in particular, was praised for its durability. Suspension and driving experience. What truly set the 504 apart was its legendary suspension system. Whether on bumpy roads, dirt tracks, or paved highways, the ride felt smooth and composed. It handled rough terrain like a champ, giving drivers a sense of comfort that few cars of its time could offer. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and the 504 greets you with a surprisingly refined interior for its time. Comfortable cloth seats, wood grain accents, and that unmistakable vintage gear lever. There weren't many bells and whistles, but what it did offer, it did well, with practicality and a touch of elegance. Global appeal and popularity. The Peugeot 504 wasn't just a hit in Europe, it became a global phenomenon. From dry deserts to rainy mountain passes, this car adapted to every climate and condition. It was often called a world car, and for good reason. Its simple mechanics, strong frame, and reliable engine made it beloved by both families and professionals alike. Durability and longevity. The real charm of the 504 lies in how long it could last. These cars were built tough. With basic tools and minimal maintenance, they'd keep going for decades. That's why many are still seen on the roads today, outliving even newer vehicles in some cases. Today, the 1986 Peugeot 504 has taken its rightful place among the world's most respected classic cars. Collectors seek them out, restorers bring them back to life, and enthusiasts drive them with pride. It's not just nostalgia, it's admiration for a machine that truly delivered what it promised. So that was the story of the legendary 1986 Peugeot 504. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car stories. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite vintage car?